Recording the sewer line here at 6057 31st Avenue Northeast. The date's February 13th, 2020. This is a recording I'm making after installing some new piping down here at the connection west of the original cleanout that was put in. So this is a Bob Oates job we're doing here. Excavated a hole, replaced some broken pipe. I'm at the mainline sewer now. I'm going to be pulling back from here. So this is about 90 feet out, give or take a couple feet. 90 feet from our current excavation here on the south side of the home. So that's the mainline sewer. Looks like the city or the house has replaced the tap going right into the sewer with new plastic, and we're going to come back from there. Now we're entering into a 6-inch liner that was installed sometime previous here. So this is all lined pipe. We're going to be coming back through permaliner. As you can tell, we got water flowing. I can feel on the camera that it's warm. I'm assuming somebody's doing laundry or dishes or taking a shower inside right now. And it's fogging up our screen just a tad bit, but you can still see. So here, we're coming through the clean out repair that is a little bit east of our current hole. So there's the clean out that was installed. This is some ABS black plastic pipe that ties into the backside of that clean out. This is where the new bathroom was added in the downstairs remodel. They put this new black plastic pipe in and new clean out. Coming back from here, however, we have original concrete pipe. So I'm going to come back and we're going to see this concrete pipe. It's going to be a little bit difficult to see with the water running. But you can see it's very rough and aggregate along the bottom of it. That's just from years and years of sewage running over it. This is the stuff that eventually collapses. So the concrete's thinning out more and more over the years and eventually falls apart. And then you have these clogged backups causing damage to the inside of the home down in the basement when we get a sewage backup. I want to get a footage here, so let me push back out to that plastic. We're going to zero out the camera. Hey, what's going on, man? I'm talking to my video recorder here, so. I'm good, though. Give me just a second, let me wrap up the video. So we're going 0 feet, zeroed out the footage so I can get a length of potential liner we'd install. Pulling back from here where that new plastic pipe is to this old concrete line. It's about a 10-11 foot stretch of pipe, so we'd want to line that section of pipe, get rid of that old concrete. I'm going to pause the video here for a minute. I'm now going to go upstream. We installed a cleanout that allows us to go upstream here and take a look at some of this kitchen line and the downspout lines that wrap around the house. We'll see how far up I can get. So old concrete There's a little bit of mud still in here. Get over to the other side. Quite a bit of mud in this upstream part of the line too, so we could be having issues in that kitchen line as well. I'm not going to get very far here with this video going up, so I'm just going to end the video there for now. And in the video.